Hey guys, welcome back, and let's talk about support and resistance today. So, as we understand what is the price action, see, price action again tells exactly the price momentum or the price memories here. So, let's talk about support and resistance. So, what is basically support and resistance, which everybody should understand because 99% or 100% technical analysis are always based on the support and resistance concept. So this is very important price point on the chart of any scripts or expected to attract the maximum buy and sell what is going to happen in this particular zone. So these points, support and resistance points, are a probability of pause, which is a range bound, or reversal, which is again a pullback, or a prevailing trend. Because if there is a trend is going upside or a downside, what we can see from the support and resistance, mostly from the demand and supply zones. So end of the day, price action is the key, where price action will work 100% when your support and resistance are marked very rightly or very accurately in this zone, because based on that only stock scripts or any other security, maybe bitcoins, maybe stocks, maybe derivatives, bank nifty index, anything will work based on supply and demand. So there are saying like buy low and sell high. That is what exactly you will become a swing trader. So only thing is that required to make money in any market, stocks, maybe commodity, currency, cryptocurrency, or whatever it is. So you should know where is the support and where is the resistance. That is very important to understand. So most of the financial market traders or institute traders, everybody use this concept support and resistance, and based on that they will trade. So this is basically a nifty bank chart, and we will come to the chart. So how to plot the support level zone, or how to plot the uh, uh, price data, or how to understand what is the extreme lows, or what is a low key point, how to connect all the points and understand how to take a support and resistance. That what we will see right now in this particular session. So coming to the resistance and support, so let me show you what exactly happening in this bank nifty uh, chart. So let me open my pen and I'll show you how exactly this is working in this particular zone. Sorry. So this is basically a chart of bank nifty, and what exactly happening. Bank nifty is moving somewhere here like this, and we are not going to understand what exactly going to happen in this zone. So now coming to defining support and resistance in a vertical mode, that is first thing what you need to understand. So what is basically a support and resistance in this zone? When you seeing, these are the major support, major support, major support, support, these all are called as a support. What is resistance? Anything below you is support, anything above you is a resistance. That is how we will understand support and resistance. If price is here, anything is below price points are called support, anything above points are called resistance. Why you need a support? Whenever you are falling down, you need a support to take again upper side momentum, again taking support. So when you're taking lot of supports, what exactly happens in this zone, that you will get a strength and you will not fall beyond the limit. So now let's come back to the support and resistance in this zone. When you're looking at this particular zone, what exactly happened in this chart? See, when you are creating a trend support, there are different type of support and resistance. So I will write it down here so you will remember it. One is basically, you can write it down so you will not forget what is support and resistance in different scenarios. One is your uh, trend support, trend. One is your trend. Second is your vertical support. third is your pivot support or resistance. So you can write it down both the way. So basically one is your trend line support or resistance, another is your pivot. I will come to all the topics here, but yeah, right now I will show you how to mark the support and resistance in this particular zone. So when I'm making a trend line here, what exactly happens? Stock or a script is always moved within this channel and giving a breakout here or a breakdown here. But why we are not considering this as a breakout or a breakdown? Because I'll come to that point later. Now your main understanding is how to mark the support and resistance in this particular zone to see how market is giving a momentum here. In this zone, in a bank nifty, what happened from last so many days? Bank nifty, this is basically a 1 day time frame. 1 day time frame matlab one candle is 1 day. So here there are the from January 2024 what we are looking at the chart. And if you observe, now I will go and draw a proper trend line in this zone and see what actually happened here. Now let me pull back little bit for older days and I'll see if I am taking a support from a far level. Still stock or a bank nifty exactly standing within a support. If I am taking little more longer, this is what happened. It means that stock never fell down on the election result day, because if you follow the price action, support and resistance and all these things, automatically you will not panic in this zone, because exactly at that moment stock took a support. So always stock took a support at this particular zone and went up. So you know exactly how this particular zone works as a support or resistance. Now let's see another index, maybe Sensex. So we will see what all different type of support and resistance will work here in this zone. If you're observing, there is no big support is happening from the trend line perspective. Maybe this is far. So let's see what is happening in this zone. See, this is the bottom, this is the bottom. Exactly this become a support for Sensex, and stock always took support here and moved up. Next, see another maybe IIT. This is again a beautiful chart. We will not know where exactly the support and resistance went. Now this is the scenario where you need to do analysis. In this particular zone, what happened? There are multiple supports and multiple resistance are ahead. Today, now in this video or right now, I will talk only the support, how to mark the support. I will take the trend line support from this zone, but it is not working because there is a small break happened below the trend line. Now what I need to do, let me understand what other parameter what I am getting as a support or resistance. Maybe this is a support what it take here. When I mark this particular zone as a support here, exactly this is called vertical support, where stock took down, it went down. See, I marked it very fast because once you also practice, you can also do the same thing when it is coming to these things. But yeah, right now you are learning, you should be more careful to understand what is the support and resistance. That's why I mark this place. Now when I am seeing this particular location, exactly it took a support here, same time it made a small pattern here, and from here it went up. This is how support works in every parameter. Now this is SPX US index. Here also we can see what is support and resistance, and this is a beautiful support and resistance is happening. Stock went up, took a support, going up. So this is how you, if the day you understand how to mark the support and resistance, you can check any of the charts, any of the trades, you can still do your price action analysis. So this is support. Now let's come back to the resistance. So what happens when we talk about resistance? So let me delete all the drawings as of now. Okay, So what is resistance? Same thing, when you saw what is the support at the bottom of your chart, now you can see what is resistance here. What is resistance? Resistance is something in this zone. There is a small resistance created here, and the particular price always try to cross this but not able to cross this particular zone in a smaller time frame. In a bigger time frame, what happens? Same thing again, 1 2 3 4 again. So this was a breakout, a small breakout. When I draw the support and resistance, now I know exactly stock is behaving within a channel. Let's see bank nifty here. Sorry, let's open bank nifty. What exactly happened with the bank nifty? Support and resistance. Now we know how to mark the support. Now we need to mark the resistance. So this is a trend line what I should mark here. Two type of marking. One is wick to wick or a candle to candle. So based on the scenario, see, this is a proper support and resistance what we got for bank nifty. Support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here. So now breaking above this or breaking below this called break out or break down. So based on that, how we will take our entry and exit in a coming days. So right now this is what you need to understand and practice to learn how the trend works in this particular scenario. Once you practice the basic price action and how to figure out what is the trend, then we will come back to the another chapter. Thank you guys. If any